Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU guys. What am I expecting on GU? If you watched my previous analysis, I said I was expecting GU to at least push down to possible this trend line right here before we now see either it's going to continue to push to the upside or it's going to continue to push to the downside. That will depend on how we break this counter trend line right. But as we can see that it just continued to zoom to the upside, right? And because I was seeing more of like an impulse, it's sort of like a correction. So I was thinking we might fall down here to retest this zone right here. Retest the zone before we either continue to push the upside, like I said, or the downside. But we can see that the market was just tanking. And another confluence I had was we were currently around an imbalance right here, so I thought since it was rejecting around that area, that has a possible move for it to at least push down here before we now continue to push the upside. But like we used to say, the market does whatever it wants to do. You just have to adjust to it, right? The market doesn't adjust to you, you have to be the one to adjust to it. So now I'm gonna delete my previous analysis and reanalyze based on this present current market, right? So I'll go to a bigger time frame just to see the overall market of GU right now. So let's see, this is my weekly, delete this as well. So let's see, because we are still currently on a downtrend overall. This is the monthly time frame. We are still currently on a downtrend until otherwise happen, because we can see, if I zoom in a little bit, you can see that whenever we get to this trend line, there's always a rejection based on the previous price action. Rejection here, we got here, third rejection. So I still see a possible move to actually push to the downside until before we see overall buy on GU. I think we have to break this trend line right before and give us some sort of like a correction move, a pattern that shows that we are continuing to push to the upside. That is when I think that we overall strike to like buy on GU. Until that happens, I still think we're on a down trend, right? This can still end with like a weak rejection. If you look, if you draw like a trend line right, we can see this is like a break of structure. So I'm seeing something like a break of structure coming to retest before we continue. It's giving us like a possible lower high. Like I said, based on what I'm seeing right now, this is what I'm seeing until otherwise happen, because this is a monthly candlestick and it hasn't ended yet. So we might still weak out of this and continue to push the downside. So let's go to the daily time frame and see. Like I said, right, I still think maybe this is like a sort of a correction kind of a thing until otherwise happen. Before I see GU as an overall buy, I would like it to at least break this trend line for me to see it overall buy. I just see this particular one right now as like a retracement for the continuation move. That is how I see GU currently. Like, just like we know an impulse, a correction, and a continuation. So like I said, I'm seeing this more of like a correction rather than the main continuation or like the main trend. So overall, I'm still seeing sell on GU guys, until otherwise, buy on GU a little bit until otherwise happen. So but we have been tanking. I think this is not needed, so I can delete this as well. Let's see how that plays. So I'm gonna try to use my fib right here from here to here. Finish from here to here was, let's see, let's put from here to here was ended, from here to here ended as well. Okay, let's just do this from here to here, that has ended as well. So I just want to know where to place GU currently, because I'm not it's not, I think if you're watching my analysis, you know that my strategy is based off of like Fibonacci, right? And I'm kind of like, it's not giving me what I want with my Fib level. So I'm trying to like figure out what to from here to here. So if we're gonna continue to tank to the upside, I think I'm just gonna use a break and retest right now, because the way the market is moving is not giving me good to use my Fib. Like, I'm not seeing more data to use my Fib. So right now I'm just gonna use my support and resistance to like analyze this trade right here. So we can see, let's see how that happened. We can see that gold is still GU, sorry, is still breaking structure, and we can see that right around here is like a significant area right here. So I'm just gonna place a view right here, and if I zoom to the left, we can see that this is like a significant place right here. We'll be rejecting off of this place several times, so that is like a place for us to see take targets for a buy if we continue to still break break structure, or we see that it has been breaking structure. So this will be my possible target right here. That is a target of like a resistance right here, resistance based on like the previous market structure. So let's see. Like I said, we're still breaking structure. I can draw like a small one here, still break structure. So if this possible close with an engulfing candle, then we'll probably just continue to like break structure, right? So on I can draw like a mini line here just for, okay, so this should be like an hour. Okay, so let's see. So as of right now, to be honest, I just think that it's continuing to be bullish. So there's a possibility that I think we will just be having something like this, a possible move to get to my next target. So right now, I think we might just have something like this and continue to push to the upside. Yeah, so right now this is what I'm seeing right now, but I know there's still like a time that we have to actually really drop down, because it has been like uptrend, and it's not like it doesn't have a lot of momentum for uptrend, so it has been kind of chubby. So choppy, I mean, it's very choppy. So I think, yeah, let's just see how that goes though. I think GU still need like, the market is like not that clear right now, so it's just doing its own thing, but we just have to follow the market and do its own thing too. I still think right now is a buy rather than a sell, so we have to like take more buys than a sell. I think it's safer to take more buys than a sell right now on GU, guys. So until otherwise happen. So that is my thoughts on GU, guys. Hope you find this helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.